Russia approves sale of COVID-19 prescription drug in pharmacies. Russia announced the approval of a COVID-19 prescription drug called Coronavir. It has been approved for sale in pharmacies in the country. While the drug is for COVID-19, it is only approved as a prescription for patients with mild or moderate symptoms. The availability of the drug in pharmacies is expected to start next week. According to Reuters, our farm's Coronavir is based on a drug called Favipiravir developed in Japan. The latter has been developed as an antiviral. But Favipiravir is widely applied for cases of influenza infections. Its active ingredients are constantly being studied for other viral infections, which resulted in several experimental antivirals. The approval of the prescription COVID-19 drug shows the effort of Russia in the race against the pandemic. Before the approval, the country exported COVID-19 tests and secured global deals related to the supplies of the Gamaleya vaccine. Coronavirus approval is due to the Phase 3 clinical trial results. A total of 168 patients with COVID-19 were involved in those trials, according to Pharmaceutical Technology. The primary outcome was the average time of clinical improvement. Results showed that in 4 days, some patients who were given the drug had clinical improvement. That was 4 days earlier than the improvement among some controls. On day 7, over 50% of patients treated with the drug showed clinical improvement. It was assessed to be 1.5 times higher than controls. There was also evidence of viral load reduction in the oropharyngeal mucous membrane at the early stages of COVID-19. On day 3, about 71.4% of patients on the drug were observed with viral elimination, while around 57.1% of controls were observed with the same outcome. On day 5, approximately 81.2% of subjects showed viral elimination compared to 67.9% of controls. The figure showed that the drug could reduce both viral loads and symptoms of COVID-19 in less than a week. It could indicate that the drug prevented the disease from becoming serious. Thus, the drug could decrease the risk of life-threatening complications. In terms of safety, the trials confirmed a favorable safety profile among participants. Generally, the drug was well tolerated by subjects. The only adverse effect investigators associated with the drug was an asymptomatic uric acid elevation. Mikhail Samsonov, director of the medical department at our farm, said that the administration of the drug should be carefully timed. Among all potential medicines against COVID-19, the drug demonstrated the best efficacy at the early stages of the disease.